Welcome to Branch and Sky Tales, whimsical stories for little hearts. Tonight, a town has a problem, a musician has a song, and a promise must be kept. This is the Pied Piper, the song that healed the town. Listen closely. In the cheerful town of Hamelin, the market bells rang, the bakers baked, and children skipped across the cobblestone streets. But beneath the laughter, there was a problem. Tiny paws scurried, little noses twitched, and everywhere you looked, mice. So many mice. They nibbled warm bread. They tugged at shoelaces. They even peeped from flour sacks. The townspeople tried to stay calm, but it was hard to sleep when tiny squeaks filled the night. The mayor sighed. We need help. One sunny morning, a stranger walked into town. He wore an emerald coat, a soft red sash, and carried a golden flute. His eyes were kind. "I hear you have a problem," he said gently. "I can help," said the piper, "but you must promise to pay me 100 gold coins." The mayor nodded quickly. Yes, of course. The townspeople agreed. A promise had been made. The piper lifted his flute, and then he played. A bright, swirling melody danced through the air. Golden and turquoise ribbons of music shimmered like sunlight. The mice stopped. They listened, and slowly, they followed. Through the streets, across the bridge, past the last little house, the mice followed the music far away from Hamelin, and when the final note faded, the town was quiet again. The townspeople cheered. They hubbed. They laughed. Children twirled in the square. The problem was gone. Hamelin was peaceful once more. The piper returned. "I have kept my word," he said kindly. "Now please keep yours." But the mayor hesitated. "That was too easy," he muttered. 100 coins is too much." The promise trembled in the air. The piper did not argue. He did not shout. Instead, he played again. This melody was softer, warmer. It wrapped around the townspeople like golden light, and something began to stir inside their hearts. The children felt it first. The music made them think. It made them remember. One little girl whispered, "Daddy, you said promises matter." The grown-ups looked at one another. The melody grew brighter, stronger. It wove through the crowd like threads of truth. Hands slowly rested over hearts. We did make a promise, and promises matter. The mayor stepped forward. He lowered his head. "You are right," he said softly. "We will keep our word." And he placed the full sack of gold into the piper's hands. The town chose honesty. The piper smiled. This time, he played a joyful song. The children spun in circles. Parents laughed. Music soared high into the blue sky. This was not a song about mice. It was a song about unity. Bakers danced with carpenters. Parents lifted their children high. Neighbors who had argued before now smiled at one another. The town felt different, stronger, kinder. As the sun dipped low, the piper played one final, gentle melody. The sky glowed coral and lavender. The music shimmered like a promise kept. Hamelin was healed, not just from mice, but from forgetfulness. The piper walked toward the glowing sunset. Children waved from the town gate. A golden ribbon of music drifted into the sky. And from that day on, whenever someone in Hamelin made a promise, they would say, "Let us keep it," like the day of the piper. And they did. The end.